If you are struggling financially or finding it difficult to provide for yourself following a divorce or separation, you may wish to consider making a claim for spousal maintenance. If your claim for spousal maintenance is successful, you will receive financial support payments from your former partner as an order from the court or by way of agreement. The purpose of these payments is for you to maintain a reasonable standard of living whilst helping you get back financially on track when seeking employment or pursuing education. There are two eligibility requirements for spousal maintenance. The first requirement is that your former partner must have the financial means to support you. The second requirement is that the spousal maintenance must be awarded within 12 months of a divorce or 24 months of a de facto separation. In granting spousal maintenance, the court considers a broad list of factors, including your health, age, education, employment status, and many more considerations. If spousal maintenance sounds like something that can help you, please contact our team to discuss your particular circumstances. From there, we can determine whether you meet the criteria for the benefit. Thank you.